What's up, everyone? Rob and Zach Garage here. Today we're going to be installing these Husky floor liners in the front row and second row of the LX570. These are actually made for the 2013 plus all the way up to 2021, I believe, LX570s. Although I'm still going to be installing it on this one, which is my 2009 LX570, only because these floor liners don't exist for the 2008 plus, I believe, to 2012 LX570s. So we're gonna be installing this on here. These fit no matter what. Only word of advice that I got from the Amazon reviews had said that these two holes to attach the floor liner to the ground don't line up. They're further back than the OEM ones are on the the 08 Plus LXs. So instead of going here, they're right here. Although he said they fit like a glove so good to that there's no need to even, clip those in. So in the second row, somebody said it lines up perfectly with no issues at all. So let's see if that's true or not today, guys. So this is what we're currently looking like on the interior. The old flimsy Lexus mats in here. Let's take these on out. I actually got to vacuum and clean up in here. But these are going to be going in the trash because they're all greasy. All right, now the second row. You can see this right here. We're going to go ahead and take this out. You get a idea how it fits. It's really dirty. Boom. Let's go ahead and take this passenger side one and install it. Very easy to install. You just gotta put it on the ground. And it's got these really cool, sharp spikes on the bottom that help it lock in. I gotta use two hands actually. But as you can see right here, this is what dude was talking about. Not that they're too far back, I realize, is that these are, in a different position. They're just in a whole different place. Right here and right here, instead of all the way over there and right here. Now, ideally, you could essentially just cut holes in the ground and make it work, but honestly, these don't mean that much to me. So I think what I may do is just remove those from the ground here, and that way I've got a solid, floor mat here. Wow, it does fit pretty good though. But let's fill the other side in, and then we'll see what I do with those things. So it seems to fit perfectly like a glove in here, only except, like I said, those clips I got to remove from the ground so that it doesn't stick up a little, quarter of an inch up on this side, But besides that, these things are nice, man. You get good coverage all the way up to here. Boom, back behind the pedals. All the way back here in this corner right here. Everybody was talking about the Husky liners and saying in the forums that they're way more superior to the WeatherTechs. The WeatherTech ain't what it used to be. So I went ahead and got myself a set of these. And let's see the second row real quick. Now it's the install of the second row ones right here. These are gonna be a little bit tighter of a, let's see. Oh, nah, it looks all right, hold up. It looks good. Let me just push this side down a little bit further in there. And we are looking good, y'all, wow. After being here for a little bit and having stuff put on them and people, sitting on them, if you guys have seats back here in and out, they should settle down a little bit, I assume, after a while. Worst case scenario, you could always heat it up if you want to, help it, mold a little bit better or whatever. But this is it. This is, like I said, essentially created for this right here. Nothing changed, from 2008 all the way up to 2021 as far as the second row at least. And on the front row, only thing that's changed looks like is the alignment of these holes right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these and see what difference it makes. I got a vacuum, man. All right, guys, I just ripped these out the ground, literally just pull them up and boom, pop them both out. Now we're sitting even nicer in here, looking good. Perfect, way better than these, man. And as you can see, this thing ain't moving nowhere, man. Look, you know what I mean? I wouldn't even worry about, look at that. Very minimal, but I'm literally lifting it up. Look at that, y'all. The spikes is gripping down the side of that floor mat, so we're good. Second row, also looking good. Now, only reason why I didn't get the third row is because I got my third row seats removed, and what I did was get the Land Cruiser Heritage Edition mat back here in the rear that fits perfectly over these holes in the back here. But besides that, like I said, the second row, perfect, man. Got some good coverage. Oh, let me go ahead and pop these out of here also. Ow, dang. Spikes is sharp, yo. So these things, literally all I did was this. Ow, dang, that's sharp on the bottom too. You just pop it off like that. Now that these two are popped off here, you can see, like I said, a little bit of movement right here, but I'm assuming that'll lower down. Worst case, if it doesn't lower down, I can heat it up and hold it and, you know, mold it a little bit better. But, you know, they're solid. Cool. That was my quick little video of these Husky mats. Stay tuned in for more LX content, y'all. We got a lot more things coming soon for this ride specifically.